What's up, Vortex Nation? Today we will be teaching you how to pair a Kestrel to your Razer HD 4000 GB. If you have not already watched the how to set up your Razer HD 4000 GB video, there's a link in the description below. In that video, we go over important setup steps you will need to complete before pairing your Kestrel and using your Razer GB. While not required to operate the Razer GB, a Kestrel can enhance the functionality of your rangefinder by obtaining more precise environmental data. There are two ways to connect a Kestrel device. The first way is to connect the Razer HD 4000 GB to the Kestrel via the GeoBallistics app. This method allows you to use only the wind speed and direction from your Kestrel to calculate your ballistic solution. To pair your Razer HD 4000 GB to your Kestrel via the GeoBallistics app, make sure your Kestrel has Bluetooth enabled and is in the PC mobile mode. To do so, on your Kestrel, push the Settings button to open the Settings menu. Select Bluetooth and use the left or right arrow buttons to toggle Bluetooth to on. Push the center button to open your Bluetooth settings to ensure you are in PC mobile mode. On the Razer HD 4000 GB, press and hold the menu button for 4 seconds. Once the menu appears, toggle to the range mode screen and press the measure button to change to BAL mode. Then, toggle the Bluetooth menu screen and press the measure button to turn Bluetooth on. Press and hold the menu button for 4 seconds or until the reticle appears to exit the menu screen. You will see the Bluetooth symbol blinking on the right-hand side of your display. Next, on the GeoBallistics app, select the Bluetooth symbol in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Select the Razer HD 4000 GB by pressing the ellipses. If you've previously paired your Razer GB to the GeoBallistics app, it should automatically connect and your Razer GB will show up next to Razer HD 4000 GB and a Bluetooth icon will appear on the app. If not, press the plus sign icon. Tap on your Razer GB, referencing the last 4 digits of the serial number on the bottom of your rangefinder. Once connected, your device will show up on the Razer HD 4000 GB settings app screen with a Bluetooth icon next to it. The Bluetooth icon on the Razer GB's display screen will also stop blinking and remain on the screen. Once you've paired the Razer GB to the GeoBallistics app, select the plus sign next to the Kestrel link to pair your Kestrel. Tap on your Kestrel from the list, referencing the first 5 digits of your serial number on the back of your Kestrel. You are now connected. To confirm on your Razer GB, you can press and release the menu button to open the data screens. Press the menu button to toggle to the wind screen, and it should read Other to indicate that wind data is coming from the Kestrel. You can now put your phone away if you wish. As long as your Kestrel remains on, the devices will remain connected. To use the wind speed and direction from the Kestrel in your solution, press the wind bearing capture button on your Razer GB. The wind speed and direction will be saved and used in ballistic calculations. Press the wind bearing capture button each time you'd like to record a new measurement from the Kestrel. To disconnect the Kestrel from the Razer GB, select the trash can icon on the Razer HD 4000 GB settings screen. This will remove the Kestrel name and serial number from the Kestrel link section and disconnect it from the Razer GB. The second way to utilize a Kestrel is to pair it directly to the GeoBallistics app. Note, a Kestrel cannot be connected to the Razer HD 4000 GB via the GeoBallistics app and be connected directly to the GeoBallistics app at the same time. Pairing the Kestrel directly to the GeoBallistics app allows you to use more data from the Kestrel, including wind speed and direction, ambient temperature and pressure, relative humidity, density altitude, and dew point. Make sure your Kestrel has Bluetooth enabled and is in the PC mobile mode. From the GeoBallistics app, select the weather icon to access the atmospheric screen. Scroll down until you see Connect Weather Meter. Select the Kestrel logo. Tap on your Kestrel from the list, referencing the first 5 digits of your serial number on the back of your Kestrel. Make sure you see the data from the Kestrel populate the atmospheric screen. You're now connected. When your Kestrel device is connected to the GeoBallistics app using this method, a button will appear on the top left of your main screen in the GeoBallistics app, denoting the Kestrel is successfully connected. To utilize the Kestrel with the GeoBallistics app, press the green button under the Connect Weather Meter on the Atmospherics page to lock in the data measured from the Kestrel to your active profile. You may also press and hold the green button to capture an average of the data while you're holding the button. Next, navigate to the Razor HD 4000 GB settings page. Under Data Received from Razor HD 4000 GB section, toggle off Wind and Weather. This will ensure that your ballistic solution is using wind and weather data from your Kestrel that is connected to the GeoBallistics app. If you later decide to use the Razor GB without the Kestrel or with the Kestrel connected to the Razor GB, you'll want to toggle these options back on. To disconnect the Kestrel from the GeoBallistics app, select Disconnect from the atmospheric screen under Connect Weather Meter. You must disconnect from one of these places before attempting to connect to the other. Utilizing a Kestrel ensures you have the most accurate environmental data possible and streamlines the wind capture mode process. If you have any other questions about this process, the Razor HD 4000 GB, or any of our other products, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below, on the phone, or on any of our social media. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the range.